The 2007 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, 4-wheel drive, power sunroof, 3rd row seat, air conditioning, 4-wheel ABS, driver lumbar, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, child safety locks, CD player, fog lamps, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.